You'll need these three ingredients.
Now that's because
Honey, peanut butter, and Rice Krispies. We are making Rice Krispie treats. Inside of this bowl we have peanut butter and honey, and I think
organic raw honey.
Organic
boil.
raw.
Then you add your peanut butter. Usually I use organic peanut butter as well, but Lynette didn't find any.
Oh.
Then you pour it, once it's melted, you pour it into your Rice Krispies. Stir it and put it on a pan.
Are these Kellogg's
Let
Rice
cool down.
Krispies?
Yes.
Are these Kellogg's Rice Krispies? All right, that's it. Now we're gonna pour it in.
Yeah.
Now, do we pour that into that pat, or do we pour that into the? Oh, that's okay, because that one wouldn't have fit it.
Pour a little bit here. Not all of it.
Didn't put all of it in there. And then she does some stirring.
Stir, stir, stir.
How long did you cook the peanut butter and honey?
Cook the honey first into a boil. Then you add the peanut, turn it down, add your peanut butter, melt it.
Are we going to put the rest of that in there? Once you kind of mix it a little bit. Oh, well, I see what's going on. And then we put the rest in. I got to get over here and see what's going on. All right, looks good. Ooh, that stove's hot. Shouldn't have put my hand down. All right.
And you can add whatever else you want into oats, yada yada.
Did you put vodka in that?
You could add lobster.
Lobster crispy treats. That might be delicious.
You're getting me.
I got your face.
Don't get me.
All right, that's it. Do that. Is that it? Rice Krispie treats. Getting the pan ready. Next phase is smushing it out on a pan. Explain what you're doing as you do it, because I'm a neophyte.
You take all your Rice Krispie treats and you scoop them out into your pan,
Okay,
like so.
looks good.
Then you get a piece of wax paper that I'm hoping Lynette has.
The wax paper? Yeah, in the drawer.
Use some wax paper.
Wax on, wax off. Wax on, wax off.
Wax paper.
Wax paper.
And you place over the hot. And just mush
Pushing
it.
it down.
Yeah. Da, 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 da.
And that's
Push it
it?
down.
Then what happens?
So easy.
Oh, the wax paper
Then you
keeps
just
it
let
from
it cook.
sticking, right?
Yeah.
Who gave you that awesome recipe? Hello?
My friend Melissa right over there.
No.
Actually, she gave me the recipe and I altered it quite a bit.
Yeah, he did.
What did you change on her recipe?
Supposed to be oats. You know that?
You use white Rice Krispies instead of oats.
And I use all organic. And she does not.
So this is
Organic
organic Rice Krispies.
The organic Rice Krispies?
Snap, crackle, pop. All
No.
Organic honey, organic
Me too.
peanut butter.
Me too.
right, so what comes after you do this?
Then you let it cool. And then you put it in the refrigerator and you cut it up in squares and put it in a tight Tupperware.